when I was doing this earlier when it wasn't working, and the reason for it is this here. Okay, Google DLs the meet code's expiry based on the app that you've created. So starting on May 19th, Google's going to enforce the following meeting code expirations based on the product a link was generated from. Okay, one thing here I want to explain really quickly. If you are creating nicknames, okay, nickname meetings available in your workspace subscribers, that's for us, yeah. We're using a Google Enterprise account. Google meeting codes expire instantly once the users leave the meeting. Now, this may cause an issue with you joining using your meet codes, your nicknames, and so this is what I'm going to advise. Most of you are doing this anyway. If I go to Classroom, okay, so what I've done is I've used my nickname and I've added my nickname here. So if I just go to Settings, under my class description, I use my nickname. I'm going to go ahead and take that out, okay, from the class description section. I'm going to scroll down. And where it says meet here, I've not been using this because the nickname provided more security. Unfortunately, I need to get rid of it now. So for good measure, I'm just going to go ahead and reset this and then enable it. And now this is the meet code. If I press on save here, this is the meet code here. So now I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to say, please join using the new code. There you go. And I'll add it as a link as well. Alright, so that's that done, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and post it. That's an announcement that goes to my students, so I'm in the clear with that. That's pretty much what you need to do. Alright, thanks for watching.